Hello everyone, I am Aaryan Awadh from the Department of Mining Engineering, a first year undergraduate at IIT Kharagpur. I have been enrolled in the DIY course this semester and I am a member of Group 3 and we have made this smart electric heater for our DIY group project. So as the name suggests, it is a heater built with the Arduino Uno R3 as the central microcontroller, which detects the temperature of water in a vessel and heats it up to a given value and maintains it at that temperature. So first let's go through the components used in making this project. So this is the front view of the project. First we have here an 16 by 2 LCD display which is used to display the temperature measured by the temperature sensor and to display the state of the heater, that is whether it is heating or not. And then we have a 9-volt battery which is used to power the Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller. Then we have the Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller itself, which basically does all of the computing and takes the data from the sensors and gives the required output signals. Then we have a breadboard which helps in connecting the wires without soldering them. Here we also have a potentiometer which is used to adjust the contrast of the LCD display, and then we have a relay which is used to connect the external 230 volts heater with the Arduino. Now the point to note here is that the 230 volt heater cannot be connected directly to the Arduino, as the maximum supply voltage from Arduino is only 5 volts and the heater requires much more. Hence we have to use a relay to operate the heater, and this is a external 230 volt power supply to power the heater. This is the immersion heater itself, which will heat the water present in this beaker. And finally we have the DS18B20 temperature sensor that can sense the temperature of the water and give the readings to display the readings on the LCD display. So these are all the parts we have used in the project, and now let us have the live demo as to how this device works. So this is the device and now we are going to see how it works. First we have to plug in the 9-volt battery to power the Arduino. We have done that, and as we can see, the LCD display has turned on and is now displaying the temperature sensed by the temperature sensor, which is here. So the display is currently showing 31 degrees Celsius, which is the ambient temperature or room temperature here, and as we put into the water, we can see that the temperature has decreased by 2 degrees, and at this temperature it is supposed to start heating, but we have not yet connected the heater to the power supply, and hence the heating hasn't started yet. So on connecting the heater, the water should start heating and the temperature should rise till it reaches 60 degrees, at which it is programmed to stop heating and maintain the temperature. Now let us connect the heater to the power supply and let's see if it works or not. Here is the heater. We are connecting it to the power supply. Now you can see it in the display that it is showing heating up, and the heater has also started heating the water. The temperature has slowly started going up. Now we can fast forward this part till it reaches 60 degrees Celsius, otherwise it's going to take a while. And we can see that the temperature is gradually rising. Now we will fast forward a bit more to get to the point where the temperature finally reaches 60 degrees Celsius and see what happens then. Now as we can see on the LCD display, the temperature has reached 59 degrees Celsius, and as soon as it reaches 60, the heater has turned off and the red LED at the relay has also turned off. The temperature is still above 60 and hence the heater will be off for a while, and the temperature has started dropping again, as we can see. It will stay above 60 for a while, and as soon as it starts dropping again, the heater will start heating just as the temperature of the water falls below 60. Let's see if it happens or not. We will need to wait a while for the temperature to start dropping. Now we are again going to fast forward to the part where it just drops below 60. And as we can see, the temperature has dropped to 61, and in just a few moments it will be below 60 again, and which the heater is going to start heating again. Let us see if that happens or not. It's still 61 now. It's exactly 60 now, and any more further drop and the heater should start again. And as we can see, as soon as the temperature hit 59.5, the heater has started heating again. The red LED at the relay has also started, which means the heater is working, and we can also physically see it for ourselves. And the temperature has again risen to 63 degrees Celsius, and hence the heater has stopped. Now it will again come back to below 60 due to evaporation, and then the heater will start again, and by this process the temperature is gonna be maintained between 59 to 65 degrees Celsius. And so this was our good project, the smart water heater. Thank you.